Open up my backpack wide, what do I need to put inside? Math book first and pencil case, everything has got its place. Reading book for later on, folder for my work that's done. Crayons in their little box, quiet as a sleeping fox. Check my list, line by line, it's okay, I've got the time. Packing slowly, nice and neat, feel the rhythm in my feet. Pack my backpack, ready to go, I'm prepared just so you know. Books and snacks all in a row, I feel proud from head to toe. Zip it up, I'm good to roll. Oh, 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 I'm a kid who's in control. Oh, 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 oh. Water bottle standing tall, lunchbox doesn't bump at all. Little note from mom inside, have some fun and shine with pride. Sweater rolled up, nice and small, just in case the wind might call. Headphones tucked in tiny space, everything has found its place. Every morning, same routine, keeps my mind so calm and clean. When I'm ready, I can see the day feels lighter just for me. If I forget, I won't feel bad, I'll just think, what did I once had? Next time I'll remember more before I step out through the door. Homework check, pencil check, water bottle check, 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 check. Ready for the day ahead.